What is a cough?
A cough is a reflex that helps clear your airways of irritants like dust, mucus, or germs. It's your body's way of protecting your lungs and throat. Sometimes coughs become persistent or uncomfortable, especially when the throat is irritated. That's when people often reach for cough syrups to help manage symptoms and find relief.
How cough syrups suppress coughs.
Many cough syrups contain ingredients called antitussives, such as dextromethorphan. These work by targeting the cough reflex in the brain, reducing the urge to cough. By calming this reflex, antitussives help control dry, tickly, or non-productive coughs, allowing you to rest and heal more comfortably.
Soothing throat irritation.
Cough syrups often include soothing agents like honey, glycerin, or demulcents. These coat the lining of your throat, forming a protective barrier. This helps reduce irritation and the tickling sensation that prompts coughing, making your throat feel smoother and less sensitive.
Treating different cough types.
There are two main types of coughs, dry and productive. Dry coughs benefit from suppressants, while productive coughs may be treated with expectorants, such as guaifenesin. Expectorants thin and loosen mucus, making it easier to clear out, while still allowing your body's natural protective responses to function.
Essential safety and considerations.
Cough syrups can be helpful, but it's important to use them as directed. Some ingredients may cause side effects or interact with other medications. Not all coughs need to be suppressed. Coughing helps your body clear irritants. Always check with a healthcare provider, especially for children or if symptoms persist.